23rd day of Inktober, and today's topic is RIP. RIP as an acronym means rest in peace. We all know that, but few people might not know that RIP actually means tear or pull quickly or forcibly away from something or someone, or kind of move forcibly or rapidly. That is also RIP. So ripping is tearing, and RIP also means resting in peace. That is, when we leave our mortal bodies, that's when people say rest in peace. So I had to combine both, and keeping the current times in mind, I wanted to do something positive. So I thought of this drawing at the very beginning, how I can make a drawing so that it is very, very much with the current situation, and again it helps me draw the prompt of Inktober. So for this drawing, I tried to sketch a gravestone of what you will see and find out in this video only. But this gravestone is getting ripped off. You can see at the top. So I started sketching it with my simple ball pen, and then this fine liner styled kind of a signature pen that I am using during Inktober. I have all the description of all the materials, as I said in my previous video and the one before that I already have a dedicated video to it of all the materials. So here in this gravestone, I made it look like someone has died, and the gravestone itself is being ripped apart. So what I thought of getting ripped, and as I'm saying that it needs to be positive. So what I did is I killed the coronavirus, that is the COVID-19, because we need it. That is what we are waiting for. We all want an end to this pandemic, and this is getting too serious now. I have already lost near and dear ones. I think many of us have lost, and we are virtually inside the premises somewhere. Somehow we are stopped of freely moving. That's not something we had ever imagined of the world. So a RIP, an end to the coronavirus pandemic, is what is required. We literally want to rip apart this virus, or just want it to finally end and rest in peace. So that is what I made of this prompt. That is what I had a thought of, and this is what I came up with. I would love to know your reactions, whether you think it was good enough, or I could have tried something else. If you have suggestions on the upcoming prompts, you can definitely ping me on Instagram or Facebook. The links to both the pages of Instagram and Facebook are provided in the description section below. Let me know in the comments. I love to read all of your comments. I love to reply all of your comments, and even your DMs on Instagram or Facebook. I love to talk to fellow artists or art enthusiasts, and that is something that I enjoy, as I said, and that encourages me to keep drawing every day, and producing videos every day is something because of you guys. Your support has helped me do this throughout this 22 days, and now it's the 23rd one. So you guys have been an immense support, and please keep supporting me. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.